ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ತಿಳಿದ ಹಾಗೆ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಸೋನಿಯಾ ಗಾಂಧಿಯವರು ಹಾಗೂ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಗಾಂಧಿಯವರು ಸೇರಿ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ KPCC ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು DK ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಸಾಹೇಬರು, ನಮ್ಮ CLP ನಾಯಕರಾದ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಒಂದು ಭಾಳ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿಯನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ನನಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಮನ್ಸೂರ್ ಅಲಿ ಖಾನ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ನೀಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಂವಹನ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕ ಜಾಲತಾಣದ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ಚೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮಿಬ್ಬರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮುಂಬರುವ ದಿನಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಸಹಕಾರವನ್ನು ನಾನು ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಭಾಳ ಇದೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಆದರೆ ಆ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಈಡೇರಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಈ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿನ ವಹಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡ ಮೇಲೆ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಪತ್ರಿಕಾಗೋಷ್ಠಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ವೈಯಕ್ತಿಕವಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸಹೋದ್ಯೋಗಿಯಾದಂಥ ಮನ್ಸೂರ್ ಅವರು, ಮಾಜಿ ಶಾಸಕರಾದಂಥ ರಮೇಶ್ ಅವರು ಹಾಗೂ ಹಿರಿಯರಾದಂಥ ರಾಮಚಂದ್ರ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಕೋರ್ತಾ.
As per the AICC Communications Department, we plan to, the Karnataka Communications Department plans to get in more number of spokespersons who will be able to convey our message of the Congress party to the people, and also we want to fight tooth and nail about the fakery and fake news and the division within the society what the BJP and its affiliates have been doing. So we want to get in the proper communication and communicate through our communication channels and then our social media and our research. So we want to put facts in front of the people of India and also get India back to where it was when under the Congress government, where people lived in brotherhood, unity and in a democratic secular country.
And recently we know fact checkers, what has happened to them. So if you project something true, you know what's happening. You are behind the bar.
See, this is the exact thing. The government doesn't want the country to exist the way it used to be. There is no freedom of press. There is if you speak the truth, you are targeted, and so many cases are booked on you. And then the fact checkers, because today what is required, more number of fact checkers, and the moment you reveal the fact, so many cases are booked against you, and the people who are spreading hate and animosity in the society are encouraged, and they are given active support by the government machinery and the government representatives. So it is a very tough time, and this is the time where the fourth pillar of the democracy, which is the media, should stand up, come up with the facts, figures, and tell the people the truth, because it is very obligatory that in this democratic setup, the judiciary and the media should be on the people's side.